Welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today I am going to be teaching you how to do two-toned metals. So what I'm going to do to begin with, I'm going to keep the default cube and then I'm going to go ahead and add a plane so you guys can see how the plane matches up towards a 3D object with the exact same material. So what we're going to do is we'll go over to the shading tab in a moment. I'm just going to go ahead and just pick these up real quick. Oops. Let's go with G, bring these up. Okay, so to make this two-toned metal, what we're going to do is first of all go over to your render engine, switch out the EV to cycles, and we'll go ahead to the shading tab right here. We're going to go ahead and take the principal BSDF and we're going to change it. So go to materials at the side, principal BSDF. We'll change this to metallic. You want to go ahead and up the anstrophe. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Turn down the roughness just a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and add in a texture. And this should be the gradient texture. So we'll go with color to base color right here. And you'll notice that this kind of changes the texture right here. So we're going to go ahead with add and color ramp. Right in here. If you bring the black and the white together, they contrast a little bit more. So if you want to go ahead and add multiple colours to this, we can go with a blue right here. We could go with maybe a pink if that's what you wanted. You can go ahead and get rid of the black and the white if that's also your preference. So we can just go ahead and divide those a little bit more. So we have this nice little purple in the middle. If we want to change the roughness, we can bring this down. So now we kind of have this kind of nice, kind of almost like chrome kind of look. I'm just going to move that blue up a little bit. So if we take this material and place this onto the plane, this is how it will look. Nice blue and pink. Nice quick tutorial for you. I hope you guys liked it and please subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.